And I think by now we have been to all the regions of Uganda. And so this time we decided on Busoga so that we can thank the people of Busoga, because they are the backbone of our security. And we also want to express solidarity with the people and symbolically give back to the population by doing certain activities for the benefit of the population, and also reaffirm the strategic link between us and the population. Yes, Mao Zedong of China, who said that the army is the fish and the people are the ocean, or lake if you want. So without the people, it means that there is no lake, and if there is no lake, I don't know whether the fish will survive. So the people, because nothing done outside the mandate and interests of Ugandans can endure any test. UPDF has a busy week, which we normally call the Defense Forces Week, of such activities throughout the country, in all places where our units will be. And during these events, we sacrifice the little at our disposal to remind ourselves, and indeed the members of the public, that we are with them. The CIMIC activities that we shall be handling during this Defense Forces Week, among others, are sanitation, civil engineering activities, medical outreach programs of to include circumcision, eye clinics, and so on.